Okay, so as you start from the desktop, you're going to go ahead and open what I use is Google Chrome browser. I recommend using Google Chrome browser for most of your internet surfing. Better than Internet Explorer. They seem to have a lot of errors, different things just aren't really calibrated for YouTube and different online applications. So once you come up to this, I have my home page is Google. You'll want to go, as you notice, you'll see these different menu options at the top. And if you do not have a Google Gmail account, that's the first thing you need to do. So that's what we're going to go over. You go over here to sign in. It'll say email password. You don't have it yet. So what you'll do, take all this out. But first thing you do, you say sign up up in the top right corner. Click it. And this is pretty simple. You just fill out your first name, dummy name, choose your username. We'll say dummy name at gmail.com. Put a 12 on there because can you believe someone already has that one? Incredible. So I'll just let it make up one that says, yeah, dummy name 475. Great. I don't recommend just putting random numbers. I mean, it's whatever you want to make it. But create password. They want you to make one up with the numbers and letters. And they got to be the same. Mainly, this is just like any other account. Anything you do on the internet basically is going to ask for most of this information. So get used to it. If this is one of your first accounts to set up, know that this is the way you'll be doing it. And mostly everything's free. They just want your basic information. Alright, so there you can put your cell phone in there and that will actually link up to your Gmail, which is really cool because it will allow you to back up all your contacts in your Gmail under your contacts. So that's really cool. It's a nice feature. I recommend using it. I'm an Android user, so I'm not sure if iPhones will connect with it also, but it's worth a shot. That's where you put that. Current email address for your default email, you can put that in. If you don't have one, you don't have to worry about it. And then you put in this CAPTCHA. This is to make sure you're not a robot. Hopefully that worked. And then you just hit agree to all their terms and conditions and next step. Okay, so that worked. So dummy name 475 is working. It's thinking about something. Now I'll just hit get started. So here we are. As you see, we're in dummy name 475. It's logged in up here in the right corner. Now, when you're at google.com, this home page, you'll see, like I mentioned, these options up here. Really cool one is news. Gmail is what we actually signed up for, and that's the main account. So now that you have a Gmail, you are enabled to use all the different Google products. I'll go over those right now. I don't want to make this video too long. Just a basic tutorial on how to set up Gmail, because that is what that's your access into all of Google products. But just since this is for Gmail, click on Gmail up here at the top. It's going to load. Now, any other email, if you've used AOL or Yahoo or anything, they're basically kind of the same, but Gmail is just more, I think, high-tech and more savvy than any other service out there. So, of course, you already have 3 default emails. When you want to make an email, just hit compose. Boom, you type in who you want it to. Zachary@gmail.com. Subject, hello. And then you just type away. Now these little arrows at the top will make it'll expand it. So here you go. This is just a regular email. This is the body. You can attach things here. So if you want to attach a file to the email, this is how you do it. when you attach. That's just finding a folder from like My Documents, and then you find what you want and you just highlight it and it'll add. So that is, to do an email. You can star them. There's a lot of other options, but the nice thing is once you have this set up, you see that video camera, which a lot of computers have cameras in them now. You can actually do Google Chat with video. You can do a Google Hangout. We'll go over all that later on different videos, but so far that'll get you started on how to get a Gmail account set up. Thanks a lot, and look forward to our other videos to show you how to do other things, because there's a lot of options with Google once you have a Gmail account. Thank you. If you have questions, of course, just write in the comments.